Hey, Justin from Abit Gear, working on my toolbox setup here, and I've got everything laid out. So now I'm going to show you a really slick way to use heat molding to make the finger pulls so you can get your tools out easily. Okay, so I've got my toolbox all cut out, tools all laid out. And before I do the heat molding, what I did is I went and actually marked out locations with my Kaizen marker of where I wanted to do the finger pulls. So about 10 seconds is what I did before. Let's see if that's still about right. Yeah, and it is. That's just perfect. So let's go for it. I'm going to make the first couple here. So I just sort of press it in at the edge. About halfway down. Oh, that's good. Good dab there. All right, needs a little more heat, so I'm gonna fire it back up. Right, so here's the other one. And you can go incrementally on these, so it's best to do not quite enough to begin with and do a little bit more. So now I'm gonna switch to that T. Hey, real quick, did you know Abit Gear makes mountain bike shorts? Really nice mountain bike shorts. They're what I'm wearing right now. They've got 4 zip pockets, Camlock waist adjusters, no Velcro on them. They come in 2 lengths, the longer length I'm wearing now, or a more medium length, and they come in 2 fits for bigger skinny butts. Check them out in the link below. All right, now I'm back to toolboxes. Get this one ready to go. Do a little test here, see how that's... Okay, that's about right. Actually, I wanted to... Yeah, it's good. We'll just go till it needs to be reheated. A touch more heat. Yeah, this is a little smoky, so make sure you have good ventilation in your space. All right, that run is done. Looks really good. Okay, we got the heat molding done. Here's what it looks like all set up again. So super easy to grab, looks great. I couldn't be happier.